Brianna's DIY World. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make jalapeno apricot jam, and we'll be canning it too.
Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Life could be a dream. And I think down, plans would come true. And I think down, my whole life loving you.
For this, you'll be needing 4 cups of mashed apricots, 3/4 cup of white vinegar, 2 cups of white sugar, 2 whole jalapeno peppers. Now, I don't have jalapenos here today, but I'm just going to be using some other spicy peppers, so you can replace them if you really want to. And then 1 red pepper or another not spicy pepper. So you want one spicy and 1 too spicy and 1 that's not spicy, so you can pick which ones you would like. And then you'll be wanting 1 box of 1 3/4 ounce of pectin. Now I'm going to be multiplying this recipe because I have a lot more apricots and I'll be doing it, but you can do as many as you want. But that's just like the basic recipe. So this will make 4 pints, so you can either make that if you do more apricots, well, you want to like double the recipe or quarter it, you know, and then you want more. So let's start! And then you also want to make sure that your peppers are finely diced up. And so look at your apricots, and you can either mash them up. I'm going to put them into a blender and then mix them up that way. You can just mash them up with a potato masher. And so you put all of those, the sugar and the vinegar all into a pot, and you want that to boil until it boils enough that you cannot just mix it and it will stop boiling. Once that is done, then you'll put in your pectin, and then for another 2 minutes you'll stir it and let it boil, and then it'll be all ready. This is what you're looking for. It is boiling like this. When you mean you mix it, it's still boiling. So you need to do that, you put your pectin in. Once you do that, you put it into your jars. And then wipe the sill of your jars so you make sure that they're clean. And then you put your lid on it and you throw it in your can. Sure, you have your jars. You can just on your oven, in your water bath canner. We do them outside. And make sure there's about 1 inch or 2 inches of water above your jars. And once it starts boiling, here in Utah we have higher elevation, so it'll be about 10 minutes, but check for your elevation to see how high you will need it once it's boiling. Alright, so once the jam is all done, you let it sit for a little bit and then pull it out, and you're good. So here's the jam. Thanks for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already. Subscribe for more videos like this, and turn notifications so you know when more stuff will be posted. Hope you have a great day, have a lot of fun, and I'll see you in the next video.